G'day ladies and gentlemen, and any children who are watching. Just down here at the marina, there's a bloke there with a pretty good device there for his kites up there. I was just wondering, geez, he'd be holding that all day, but he's actually got a pretty cool system there. You know, that's professional. I dare say that's for a fishing rod actually, and now he's having a rest. I don't blame him, he's been doing that for a long time, so yeah, keep his arms all rested. He looks pretty fit, and I don't think he sells kites. I think he's just doing a show for the people, which I think is really good. Just here in Tainan, T-A-I-N-A-N, Tainan, and just here obviously in Taiwan, bit of a mouthful. But there's some people there going on an afternoon cruise or an evening cruise. That actually would be something I could do actually. It'd be good for streaming or videoing, just like what I'm doing. But yeah, I've just come from a nice walk in the market there. Today I was over at a fabulous restaurant there, owned by a baseball player. And yes, he was very famous in his day. He still plays, you know, but not as much as he does. He's a very fit guy, and he does have awesome food at his restaurant. So check out that video. But we're using the GoPro at the moment. I did film a few things on the phone earlier. But really nice vibe here. And just over there they've got the fishing trawlers, and I did get a short earlier today of a young gentleman catching a fish. So what we'll do is we'll go for a walk. I'm not too sure if I should head this way or that way. I reckon I'll walk that way and get a bit of footage on top of the bridge there. I reckon that would probably be a lot better. But just over there they've got some fishing vessels there, but these are the pleasure cruises. So we'll probably just make a couple of clips here and there instead of just continuing the vlog. But beautiful skyline, Tainan in Taiwan, of course. So we'll catch me when I'm up on the bridge, unless I see something spectacular on the way. Yeah, we'll just grab a couple of clips here before I go up there and try and get some nice shots there. I'm just chilling out here, and these here, like they use these to go catch fresh produce there. So I just thought I'd just show a bit under the bridge before you go on top of the bridge there. So very nice skyline, and there is that kite as well. Actually, the sky absolutely looks fantastic. The sun is trying to poke out behind the clouds. There's some nice flowers there. All right, we're on top of the bridge now. Beautiful skyline all the way around. People on their push bikes, keeping fit, and that's what it's about. G'day buddy, ni hao. Yeah, they are a very friendly bunch here, but very reserved, and I don't know, it's nice here, I love it. You know, I've got to learn the language, but really beautiful place here. Ni hao. Yeah, very interesting place. Like I have changed. I was in my Sunday best today because it is Sunday, but I've taken, like the wife popped back, and I've changed into t-shirt and shorts. So now we'll go over here and have a look at this fantastic view. Yeah, the wife's just ducked out again, and she'll be back shortly, so I thought I'd seize the day, and she'll be back to see sunset with me. But I thought I'd seize the day and just make a couple of vlogs. I've already smashed out the night market there. It was really good. Got 4 shirts, 2 for the wife and 2 for me. Well, probably 4 for the wife. She quite likes my shirts, because I do have a good fashion. But beautiful views up here. Yeah, I've tried to catch sunsets so many times, but usually at this time of the day it does hide behind the clouds. But really beautiful view up here. I quite like this. And we'll just scan and show the skyline there as well. Really, really beautiful. I would like to come and stay in this city for some time because the wife's family, like a lot of them are here. Yeah, had lunch with them all today, and then went back to the sister-in-law's house, and she cooked up some food, and yes, very, very good people. Yeah, I quite like seeing these fishing trawlers there. Really, really nice. Like, they go out and catch their fresh fish or seafood. But really beautiful views all around today. Absolutely amazing. I really have started to fall in love with Taiwan. And it's good that they have bike lanes, you know, and it is good that I do get the odd smile. Yeah, so for those that read this, there you go, have it. But it is a really beautiful city here. You know, it is rather peaceful where I have been staying for the last few weeks. But it is good to see something different from time to time. Yeah, I could see myself staying here for a few months. But there is a lot more to see here in Taiwan. Spent some time in Taipei. It's okay, but I prefer the south here. But I'm going to head back up north and hopefully see the other coastline. There's some good vision out that way that the wife has shown me on her phone. So hopefully we'll get out there on this trip. If not, we'll come out here another time. But absolutely beautiful. I'll wrap this up in a moment. I'll probably make some other clips that I'll release separately, but I reckon we'll wrap this up and I'll join everything together that I've done here at the harbour. But just look at that vision there of the sun about to come down and go to bed. It'd be coming up to near 6 now, because sunset is usually just before 6:30. So hit the like, subscribe, hit the thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed, but I don't know why you would still be here if you haven't enjoyed. So we'll see you on the next exciting episode. Uru for now, and be the best version of yourself every day.